Good morning, everyone. Okay, welcome back to our life assessment project making with me, Miss Dia, and my partner, Miss Tiwi.
Halo Miss Dia, hello everyone, good morning.
Okay, in this beautiful occasion, Miss Dia would like to explain to you all how to present it and how to make our project making. Anyone know about this? Okay, I hear this. Great. We are going to make masquerade with the title How to Make Masquerade. And here we go. I would like to give you an example of this. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How do you do? Hope you all in a good health. In this beautiful occasion, I would like to share you something. But beforehand, let me introduce myself first. My name is Dia. I came from L4 Zaid bin Sabit. And today I would like to share you how to make masquerade. Okay, and here we go.
Things you need to make masquerade are masquerade printables, letter A4 or paper, glue, scissors, crayons, double tip, chopstick or stick, decorative materials like feathers, glitters, and color paper. Then, now let's make it. Okay, the first, print out the masquerade template. Make sure the size of printable masquerade has been adjusted for kids' size. Second, cut out the masquerade template. Third, modify the masquerade shape with paper and give it glue. Fourth, cut out the masquerade shape. Then, decorate the masquerade as your own creativity. You can add some decorative materials like feathers, glitters, and color paper. Like this. the handle like a chopstick or stick and then glue the handle. And ta-da! This is it. This masquerade from Miss Dia and Miss Tiwi. Yay! Here everyone, I choose unique masquerade template as my pattern on my masquerade because I think it's awesome. Okay, please take a look everyone. I put some white glitter on the eyes and then some feathers, pink feathers and white over the middle of masquerade, and it will make my masquerade more beautiful. And the other of my masquerade, this one colorful masquerade, and I put some red glitters and green glitters over there. Okay, and this masquerade can be also worn in any party, but because we are still in this pandemic, so you may wear it for taking selfies with your lovely families at home. Okay everyone, I think that's all about my presentation today. Hope it's going to be useful and insightful for us. Thank you for your lovely attention. See you next time.
Well, this is the last sections of our video live assessment project making, and Miss Dia and Miss Tiwi do really hope that you can do your own best. Thank you so much for your nice attentions everyone. Wabillahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you everyone.